Hi everybody, this is a short video on how to remove the thermostat housing on a 2.7 diesel. This was actually done on a Jaguar S-Type, but it's exactly the same on the Land Rover and the Range Rover. I hope that you find this useful. The next video will show you how we put it all back together again. Enjoy! Okay, first thing, remove the cover. Don't forget to put the oil cap back on to stop any bits falling into the engine. I know it's basic, but it does need saying sometimes. Okay, you're going to need a 7mm socket or spanner to remove the Jubilee clip for the air intake pipe. Shouldn't come off with too much problem. Okay, there's two electrical connectors to remove. Little chance of mixing them up, quite honestly, they're too different from each other. Now it might be tricky to see on this video, but there is an 8mm bolt just underneath this housing. I found that once it was cracked it could pretty much be turned by hand. It's longer than you might expect it to be, you'll see in a second. Now with a screwdriver, just remove the spring clip. I removed it completely. I don't know whether I needed to or not, but it just seemed the safest thing to do. At least I wasn't going to lose it in the engine somewhere. And then that housing just pulls off. Okay, this is a 10mm. And again, once it's cracked, it seems to turn fairly easily. Again, note the length of it. Right, now we're back to an 8mm socket to remove the two bolts holding the clamps for these pipes in place. One either side. Now for this I found plumber's grips the best tool for the job. It's not so clear on the first pipe, but on the second pipe we'll see how easy it can be. And there you go, it just opens up like that. And it allows you to pull this metallised pipe away. Take care with it though. Okay, there's another electrical connector here. and the one at the back just it slides onto the housing. It doesn't. You don't need to disconnect it. There's no big or clever way to describe this. Wiggle it backwards and forwards, eventually it comes out, as you'll see. And there it is. Now you're looking at the thermostat housing. It's held in by 4 bolts, 8mm. Okay, nothing big or clever about this. And using plumber's grips, or use needle-nosed pliers to back off the clips and pull the pipes off. Okay, once again remove a spring clip with a screwdriver. Found I didn't have to take the spring clip off completely on this for it to release. Okay, here I had to use 2 extensions with a ratchet, otherwise I couldn't get proper access to the bolt. Once again, like all the others, the moment they were cracked, they spun really easily. They're all of equal length, so don't need to worry about matching bolt for hole. So once again, it's just a matter of wiggling backwards and forwards with this, and it pops off. There you go. Okay, thanks for watching. The next video will show how we put it all back together again as promised.